In this video, we are going to see that if you are getting a download error when you are trying to install or download a Discord, here is a quick fix for you. So what you can do is just go to the start menu and just open up the file explorer. I have the file explorer right here as well, default attached. And from here, just go to this PC, just select your C drive, go to users, and whatever user you have logged into, just go ahead and click on that. And from here, what you can do is just click on the three dots and go to options. And from here, just go to view and make sure you select the show hidden files, folders and drives. And after that, just hit apply, click OK. And then you will see this hidden file or folder. This is called Discord. This is called app data. Just go ahead and click on that. Go to local. And here you will get all the links. You will probably get Discord here as well, like this. And just double click here, and here it says update. Just right click here, run as administrator, click yes. So this way it will install the updates of Discord. If not, what you can do is just restart your PC, and after that just turn on the Windows feature by just going to this option. Let me just open the start menu. Let's write turn Windows feature. Just click on that, and here we need to make sure that the Net Framework 4.8 Advanced Services, or whatever is the version you see right now, the latest one, you need to make sure that it is completely checked. If not, you can just check it from here and click OK, restart your computer. And what I want you to do is, if the problem still is there, you need to disable your real-time protection of firewall, or just to check that if everything works well. If yes, you need to add an exception to this particular application of Discord for the antivirus, because that may be blocking you from accessing or downloading it. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.